So very beautiful grounds inside the fort. I would say this is probably somewhat akin to the parade grounds or something in front of the two buildings. And I've just found out that even though this was originally a Dutch fort, it was built European style, but of course it was later taken over by the Chinese and they put a more traditional Chinese style building there. So there's a building right there in the front, and then you can kind of see the other building that's stacked up behind it here. This statue here commemorates the, I guess the Dutch submitting to the Chinese as they took back this area. It's kind of cool. It's like you would think of a fort. It's walled all around and it's got buildings around the perimeter, but you can see how you've got the walled area. It's still just, and Hunter kind of forewarned me that it would be interesting how you're in the middle of this urban area and this fort just exists, like with all the modern trappings of the world built up around it. So I'm giving a whole 360 pan here. That's the front gate that we just walked in. Very, very pretty grounds. I mean, it would be a nice place just to kind of hang out, even if it wasn't for the cultural significance of the area. So that's the complete 360. Very, very pretty place. And I would think this is what most people in the West would assume as very typical Chinese design. It's actually really, really cool with all the, what do you call the things on the ends?
They're like barfing fish.
Yeah, but what do you call that type of architectural thing where there's a term, right, that it's for when you build something on the points of buildings.
Yeah.